Greetings from Nyckelviken in Nacka, Stockholm. It is 28th of June. Right now it's 4 p.m. exactly, and we have 18 degrees Celsius in the air and just 13 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea. I just measured and it feels so cold indeed. And I am finally in Nyckelviken again after a very long time. I don't usually come to this place as the sea here is of questionable quality, as it is basically where all the ships and boats and sailboats go to the city. All the big cruise ships as well are passing by here, and they're obviously polluting the water a bit, I was trying to say. And I'm all alone here in this huge formation of rocks. There is nobody here but me. And yeah, it's a cloudy Saturday. The weather is not the best for sure, but the show must go on, as it is beach day number 43, I believe, on my Sweden Beach Adventures. That rock over there is actually klättringsområde for climbing. There are some ropes, and I have seen people climb last time I was here, but not today. And there you can see what I'm talking about, the quality of the water. It looks a bit disgusting on this end. So I'm not going to be swimming there. I'm going over here, and now I see that there are waves here also. So many waves every time because there are boats. Stockholm is on water, obviously, and there are boats everywhere. But I didn't came here by boat. I came here with my cube, and exactly 16 kilometers from my home. This is one of the closest beaches to the sea, but for me it is hard to call this sea because, yeah, it doesn't feel like sea, as it is close to Mälaren. And we can see out there the center of the city, and Slussen, where the waters from the third largest lake in Sweden, Mälaren, collides with the Baltic Sea. And that's why they say for Stockholm that it is a blending of söt och salt, which means mixture of sweet and salt. And I have told you this in many of the episodes for my viewers that have watched my episodes before. So yeah, up here, before you enter this nature reserve, there is something for dogs. I'm not sure if it's like what's the name called, but I have seen some dogs running there. Something about it. I didn't catch the name exactly of that establishment. Oh, look at that. Look at the waves. No. This is now, I wouldn't want to be swimming now when it is waves like this. It feels so. I need to move my stuff also so that it doesn't get wet when I go out. So yeah, Beach Adventures with Kris continue as scheduled, and now I need to find a safe way in order to complete my mission to get into the water with my full body today. Not sure if it is a bit better on the other side. Let's take a look. Let's play Dora Explorer. All the entries seems to be very slippery. Indeed. Maybe it's a bit slightly better over there. I don't think so. You just go with the flow. Just go with the flow and be careful at the same time. I'm just gonna wait for the waves to come down. And I'm just gonna look if there is some big boats incoming that will contribute to the wave that I want to avoid. As it is 13 degrees Celsius in the water, so quite cold if you ask me. Okay, now we're good to go. go. Amazing. When the water is calm, it looks so amazing. So, are we ready for the beach adventure for today and today's swim? Because I am ready, set, and go! Yes, that's the sea. I have put some water in my mouth and I can verify that this is the sea because it doesn't taste like lake. So here we have very nice view of, I think that's Lidingö over there, one of the largest islands in Stockholm, close to the center. I think that over there is Fjäderholmarna and few other smaller islands. And here, everything that you see here from that forest over there to here is Nyckelviken in Nacka. And we can see slightly there the buildings in the center of the city. That is, actually maybe that's only Sikla that I'm seeing from here. But further down is the center of the city, obviously. So, yeah, I will not be chilling that long on the beach today, as it's not so pretty when it's cloudy like this, and maybe there will be light rain later. So yeah, that's a wrap then from this beach adventure from Nyckelviken. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.